Shall we have breakfast together?
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much, and for the love shown in my previous video, thank you all so much. In this video I will be making plantain moi moi. I found a recipe online and I just wanted to try it out. So guys, I got the plantains, the unripe plantains, the ripe plantains, as you can see over there. And what I'll be doing in this video is I'm going to blend these plantains together. Some people do add flour to theirs, but I'm not going to add flour to this particular moi moi. Some people do add plantain flour, beans flour. I'm just going to be sticking with these plantains. Okay guys, and after blending, then I'm going to add the pepper. As you can see, I've got my bell peppers here. I've got the scotch bonnet, the onions, the ginger, and the garlic. So I'm going to blend all this together, and also add in the blended plantain paste. Then I've got the sardine here, and that is the egg over there, just to spice things up, to make it more delicious. And those are my seasoning. I've got crayfish right there, and I couldn't get the banana leaf for moi moi, so I'm going to use this Santana lilo because it's kind of hazardous to the health. So I'm just going to use the steam. I'm not going to boil this, just the steam, just to reduce the health risk, because I couldn't get the banana leaf for moi moi. And I've got my vegetable oil over there. You can choose to use sunflower oil, avocado oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, whatsoever oil that you want, but I'm just going to use vegetable oil for this dish. So guys, let's start the magic. So guys, I diced this behind the camera. I washed the plantains, then I diced them into these bits. I've also diced my my pepper mixture. Everything is set for blending now. Guys, I'm going to be blending this behind the camera. I'm so sorry about that. It's just to put all this into the blender, then you blend into a very smooth paste. That's it. According to what I found online, this is very healthy. Very, very healthy. Then I'm also going to slice the egg and mince the fish into tiny bits. Then after which I'll get my Santana nylon and start putting in the paste mixture. So guys, this is the end result of my blending. As you can see, there is no difference between this and beans paste. So this is just the plantains, the unripe and the ripe plantains. No flour was added in this mixture. I'm actually okay with this consistency, but if you want to add water, that is fine. You can choose to add water to this, to your desired consistency. So that is my already sliced and minced fish. So I'm going to keep stirring this to further ensure a more smooth consistency. Then I'm going to add the vegetable oil. If you're also going to use palm oil, just try to heat the palm oil a little bit before you add. I've added my vegetable oil now. Then I'll keep on stirring this to ensure the vegetable oil is equally distributed to all the parts. I can't wait to see the end result of this. I have a feeling it's going to be very, very delicious. Then you keep on stirring, stirring, and stirring. Then you also add your seasonings. You add your Maggi, your salt, your crayfish, whatever thing you want to use to spice this up. Guys, you just add. And then you keep on stirring also to ensure everything is fully dissolved. This is so easy to make, very, very easy and very, very cost effective. You don't need to break a bank before you make plantain moi moi, and it's actually healthy, guys. It's especially, you know, the unripe plantain is a very, very healthy choice of fruit actually. So that's it, guys. You keep on stirring till you've gotten the desired consistency. Alright, guys, so this is all ready to be steamed now, as you can see. So basically what I'm going to be doing now is I already set up I actually improvised this, so that there's water in the pot. Then I'm going to place the the packed moi moi right here. Okay, guys, because basically all I just need is this steam actually. So I'm going to set it right here. Okay. So I'm going to steam this for 20. So I steamed this for 1 hour, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Then I'm going to cover this. So guys, that is my mini setup. I really can't wait to see the end product of this. Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave this for 20. This is the end product. Our plantain moi moi is ready, so I'm just going to allow this to cool down now. Okay, after which we can dive in. Yeah, so I'm just going to allow this to cool down. Yep. If you know you are enjoying this video, just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys. Just see that. This is so delicious, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Right, forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.